guys, for today's video I'll be reviewing two slime shops, SlimesByEvie and SlimeyPallets. And I'm so excited to show you the slimes that I got, so without further ado, let's get started. First up we have SlimesByEvie, and I reviewed them in a past video, but if you haven't watched that, I'll remember to link it up in the iCard. The four slimes that I purchased from her are Beary Cherry Whip, Frosted Animal Cracker Glaze, Sugar to Lemon Tea Candies, and Soot Sprite Cookie Treats. She was nice enough to include her business card and borax. The first slime I'll be showing you guys is called Frosted Animal Cracker Glaze, and it's a super duper thick slime. Also, I love how she puts her logo on the top, the label on the side, and a warning sticker on the bottom. The slime comes with a star cracker charm and these little rainbow confetti beads. The overall texture of the slime is amazing because it's super duper thick and it gets super glossy. The slime is scented like sugar cookies and it smells really good. Surprising it doesn't smell artificial, but it is a pretty sweet scent, though it's not too strong, so I do enjoy it. Despite being like the thickest slime on the planet, it does have a pretty good stretch, though some of those little confetti beads that I added at the beginning would fall out from time to time, but it wasn't a huge deal because it didn't fall out that much. I don't know if you could tell, but the slime is insanely thick, and even in 2 times speed, it doesn't move at all. So overall, I love this slime so much, and I would recommend it to anyone who loves super thick slimes. Next up we have Soot Sprite Cookie Treats, and this is actually my very first cloud dough, and I'm not sure how to feel about it. It has a really good, nice, squishy texture, but it's not great for poking or bubble pops, and this one doesn't give that much ASMR. The way she executed the design of the slime is adorable, and the Soot Sprite females are super duper cute, and the star sprinkles are also adorable, and I just overall love the whole design. It's scented like cookies, and honestly I'm not a big fan of the scent because it is really strong and artificial, but I think if it was a bit lighter I would have loved it. If you are a big fan of cloud doughs or cloud textures, then you will love this slime, but I'm just not a big fan of cloud slimes, ices, like basically instant snow slimes, so this was just not my cup of tea. Next we have Sugared Lemon Tea Candies, and this is my very first Bingsu slime, and I absolutely love it. The bead to slime ratio is perfect, and the vibrancy of those yellow Bingsu beads are so pretty. The add-ins that came with it also match the slime so well. They look like little candies, and this is scented Southern Sweet Tea, and it smells super good. It doesn't smell artificial at all, and it overall does smell like tea. The bubble pops the slime makes are so crisp, and when you stretch a slime you can hear soft crunches, and honestly it is super duper satisfying to play with, and I can't recommend this slime enough. Even when the slime is inflated, it doesn't get tacky at all, which is honestly kind of surprising to me because this is a clear glue and it's not really a coated clear, but I'm really happy about that. Now, the last slime I have from Evie is called Beary Cherry Whip, and it's a DIY clay slime. The slime comes with a super duper thick base, which is really satisfying to play with, these little bare Fimo slices, and a bare clay piece. Before filming, I kind of poked the slime a couple of times, and I think she used some kind of color changing dye because no matter how many times I play with the base, it always stays a pink and peach color, well, after sitting. I really hope she sells this texture because it's honestly amazing. It's super stretchy, the pokes are amazing, and the bubble pops are also amazing. Also, the color changing effect is just gorgeous. I had a lot of fun assembling the slime, but unfortunately the clay was a tiny bit dried out, so I recommend saran wrapping the clay in the container to ensure that it won't dry out. The slime is scented like cherries, which I love, though it is just a tad bit artificial, but honestly I do not mind at all. While I really enjoyed mixing the clay and slime together, the outcome became just a tad bit rubbery. It wasn't exactly super rubbery, but it definitely wasn't a butter slime. It wasn't smooth or spreadable. It was really inflating though, and it created the best bubble pops and sizzles, and it would have a lot of great pokes too. This package is from SlimeyPallets, and I received this free of charge because I entered in one of her art contests, and she forgot to include my entry, so she decided to send this for free. So she included a bunch of extras like these pig Fimo slices, a little money pouch, candy, a business card, and borax. I received 2 slimes from her, Galactic Pop Rocks and Martian Pool, which are both coated clear slimes. The first slime I'll be showing is called Martian Pool, and if you don't know what a coated clear slime is, it's basically a clear slime made with Korean glue, and it's not tacky at all. And as you saw in the beginning, the cap was a little bit cracked, though she did bubble wrap the slimes. Nothing leaked or spilled, none of the slime dried out, so it was completely fine. The slime comes with a couple of add-ins like pom-poms and these little people in capsules, which I think are really cute. And honestly, this slime is more on the thin side, which I really do enjoy because I usually play with slime on a slab, and it's really fun to fold and make bubble pops. I'm not sure what the slime is supposed to smell like, but to me it smells like watermelon Sour Patch Kids, which smell super good, and I honestly really love this slime. The texture is amazing, and if you haven't tried a coated clear, I definitely recommend hers. Last but not least, we have Galactic Pop Rocks. And this slime is really nice. The glitters on the bottom are so pretty, and the foam beads on the top just add that extra crunch. So I think this slime is also a coated clear because it has the same texture as the first slime. Though it was a little bit sticky at the start, which is not a problem because I did have activator on hand, but unfortunately it kept like sticking to me. It wasn't like tacky, it was just sticky. So I think it just melts down really quickly, but I'm not really sure because I did not have this problem with the first slime. Again, I am not sure what this slime is supposed to be scented like, but it smelled kind of sour and artificial. I think it was basically or similar to the first slime. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll remember to link both of these shops down below in the description box along with their Instagrams, so don't forget to check them out. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!